Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Here I use office shapes to create art in Word, as well as show you presentation tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a custom check mark. So let's begin. Go to Insert, Shapes, select a triangle. I'm going to rotate it. Right click on your mouse. Go to Edit Points. We add a point here. Right click, Add Point. Let's drag it down like so. Now we're going to go into Shape Fill. I'm going to make it yellow. Shape Effects, Bevel, and then I'm just going to select a different bevel. But first I'm going to move this out of the way so you can actually see what's going on. Shape Effects, Bevel. You see here. Rotate a little bit. Can add a little bit of shadow as well. If you don't want the outline, I'm going to change the outline to maybe a darker yellow, just a darker yellow like that. And if you want to get fancy with it, go to Shape Effects, or actually go into the icon below Shape Effects, which is Format Shape. You can also right click and choose Format Shape. Select the second icon and then go into 3D format, go into lighting, and you can adjust the lighting on it like so. Now we can just make it bigger if we want to, like so. Make it shinier, darker. I'll leave it darker. For the lighting, here's a one that gives a little bit of shadow if you like that, or a little bit lighter. There's a lot of combinations you can go through. I'll leave it like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching.